Hey everyone, Tanya Zajdel here from Rewire Therapy. I'm a nurse and the founder of Rewire Therapy, and today we're going to discuss how food and how our nutrition can either cause or heal anxiety. And so there's two main points I would like to bring up in terms of nutrition and anxiety. So number one, what kind of foods can cause anxiety? And so when we have PTSD symptoms, when we have an easily triggered sympathetic nervous system, we have to be mindful that caffeine does trigger anxiety. So a stimulant such as coffee, black tea, dark chocolate will trigger a sensitive sympathetic nervous system and increase heart rate and breath rate. And so we do want to stay away from those when we're easily predisposed to anxiety, to panic attacks, and to stress. What we can do though, in order to have the opposite effect and to help our nutrition influence a more resourced and a calmer nervous system, is actually taking high quality probiotics. And the way that works is because the vagus nerve is step one to the sympathetic nervous system. So when we have a healthy and toned vagus nerve, which is connected with the gut, then that helps to reduce how easily triggered our nervous system gets. Meaning when we take a really nice healthy dose of probiotics, or we have yogurt, so plain yogurt, that's a good quality yogurt, that's high in probiotics, then we can go ahead and make sure through this that our healthy gut bacteria helps to tone the vagus nerve, which in turn helps to prevent an easily triggered nervous system from being activated. Meaning we have a more resourced vagus nerve and we are less likely to get triggered that easily. So I hope those two nutrition tips have helped you in terms of nutrition and anxiety. And I hope that if you have any questions or comments, you can leave that on the link below. And if you'd like for me to create a course specifically around nutrition and mental health, that's something that I'm working on. So let me know if you'd be interested in learning more about it, because I would like to gauge how many other people are as interested in this as I am. Wishing you a beautiful day.